So this is the magic fertilizer that we are using direct on the roots. You can pour it directly to the roots. Even for the jade plant I am using it. It's the best fertilizer on the roses and on ticoma flowering, you can see. And here's the rose buds. So use it on your flowering plants and let me know how to make a fertilizer using two things from your kitchen. So today I will show you how to make a great fertilizer use of tea and coffee for your flowering plants. This is especially for the flowering plants so that they will bloom really well. So this is how you do it. You will have to take 2 tablespoons of tea, 2 tablespoons, and equal amounts of coffee grounds. Here I have coffee 1 and 2. So now add water. So now boil it for 5 minutes. Here we have 2 tablespoons of coffee and tea equal amounts, and boil it for 5 minutes. After boiling for 5 minutes, let it cool. Let it cool and now mix it with 3 liters of water. Now here we have the mixture of water, coffee and tea like this. So that's it for today. See you. Bye bye.